Noncommunicable disease nabagi chang hanthanaba leingakna kanna hotnari. Masida miyamnasu modern gi oiba treatment asi khakta natana ipai puna sizinaramba treatment makhal singa punna sizinaba mathau tai haina Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan na fongdokhre. Ayurveda for One Health haiba team da National Ayush Mission Manipur amade Directorate of Ayush Lamphel Pata Sinduna Imphal Hotel gi Sangai Hall da pangthokiba Nipan Suba Ayurveda Day 2023 observation tharomga mari lenana mahakna wafam ase fongdokhibane mahakna makhatana hai ayushna sizinariba treatment makhalasi ancient amade modern gi oiba form of treatment punsilaga tauba treatment amane scientific development na henkibana miyamna ancient form of treatment thoknarure adubo ipai puna mana masingna laing baki chatharamba chatnabi hojikti miyamna khanglarakle maraga sida hena miyam khangna aware oinaba hena promote tauba mathau tai amade prajagi mindset su honganba mathau tai Ayush Nutariba treatment asida medicinal plant asisu Ayush ke sector amane Ayush hospital district Kudimakta Thamlaga Honorabade NCD ge anaba aduki matek hantagani thajai maramasina aikoina punna team amata oina thabak tongina se haike Tharomaduda Health and Family Welfare ge Commissioner cum Secretary Pradeep Kumar Jha IAS Ayush Manipur ge Director Dr. Akoijam Lokendra Singh Amadi Directorate of Ayush ke State Ayush Officer Dr. S. Vishwanath Sarmana President Member oina sarugyake
That recognition is important. When we see kanna this is where side effect this has to be all taken into consideration. And we have to promote it. We have to promote it more. Some recognize the position as I think Ayurveda the last year I could not be here because I had to go on I think it's the first thing